Hi guys, my name is Girolamo Aloe and this is the video lesson number 2. What I want to explain here is just how I earned 1094 pips trading my specific trading plan on GBPAUD. This was possible because I was able to identify supply and demand levels that was really in my interest, and I followed the specific pattern that touched them, and I had a specific plan. Following the plan, I was able to make money. If you have a plan, you can have a trade, and the plan, every traded plan, really opened the door for large profits. So now I show you what I have here. In this specific scenario, we have in the weekly chart there's large demand, and in the weekly chart there's large supply. Going back in the daily chart, that is where we are now, we can make a better refining of the supply and demand levels to have a better precision, so you can find your specific entry point with a lower risk and try to take the best. We can see in the daily chart that we have here the highest supply that we can use, that we can take in consideration, and inside the large demand level we have nested three important levels, three important demands that we can use for our trading. But what is really important in this chart? In this chart is really relevant the trend line. This is just a reversal trend. This is represent that the continuing uptrend is going to change. So we trade this reversal opportunity. We have here an higher high, and from here we can draw our specific trend line that we can see here, from here to here, from the higher high to the lower high. We can see also another thing, and okay, now the chart is completed, the shape of the pattern is completed, but at the beginning you can see that we have a price that touched the demand here, and a price that touched the demand also here. So you can have here an higher low and a lower low point, and in these two specific points we can draw a new trend line, and this trend line gives us the opportunity to identify a triangle pattern. This triangle, of course, is made by swings. Now we go to understand these swings, and we have higher high from here, higher low here, lower high, lower low, okay, and higher lower high, and at the end the pattern go down, take out the highest demand and go to test the lower demand, and this is just something great. Okay, this represents our trading plan. We have identified the pattern, and we have the triangle and their swings. What we do now, we have to understand where we want to entry, and now we go to find entry point inside the nested demand and in the nested supply. Here, for example, there is an entry, and this entry was important for me because I took my trade just here, my buy trade, my first trade just here. I entered here, and I let run the trade for days, day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the end I took my profit just here, I think. Okay, yes, just here. Yes, and so I was able to make money waiting with patience and following my trading plan, entering with a buy trade in the demand here, and waiting that the price go up to the supply, and I took my profit. Okay, in this as I'm explaining it, it seems very easy. but in reality it's not so easy because you can be emotionally involved, especially now that the chart is really choppy. You don't understand really what you want to do, what you have to do. You just know what you want and you try to follow your trading plan. That trading plan is fundamental for trading. Okay, closed the first trade, the first buy with 344 pips of profit. I waited to sell. I waited that the price moved up more, and I had identified another price to sell, just a lower price, a lowest price inside the supply. That was this, and I set an order. When the price was there, my order was executed, and this was really a perfect entry. My order was exactly at 2.1998, and the line market here is just 220. I can say it is really a perfect entry point. Okay, now I waited days by days, day by day, and I've seen the price move down until it went to break the trend line and it took out the highest demand level. What's important here, when the price moved up testing the supply level, it has got a lot of orders, and all these orders, these sell orders, moved down the price really strongly. So we can have here this movement to down, this momentum that moved down so quickly, and some days of consolidation, and it went up again, and at the end it moved down just to collapse. There was here another very good opportunity to entry, but I wasn't able to take it just here because this is a new supply. Wait, okay, I changed this. This was another supply where it was possible to set a potential sell. I was not able to trade it because I had the order here, but I was not so confident to use it to take it, so I removed it, and I lost this opportunity. But this is not important because my trade was really great, because from this point to the exit point that I've set just here, I went out, I think, just here at 2.12 and 68, 2.1268, 2.12 and 68. Yeah, okay, just here. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, just in this level, here I take my profit just after days, and the total of the profit was just 730 pips. I closed too late. I waited too much because the price moved down a lot, and it was just trapped in this support level. I can draw it here. It was trapped in this support level, but I was not so confident to close the trade there because I expected that the price was able to move down more. And so at the end, when there was the bounce up, I closed it with just 730 pips. This is really important because trading what I see in the chart and following the trading plan, just following the trading plan, nothing more. Following the trading plan, I was able to get my money. This is really easy. When you know what to do, it's easy to make money. I hope that this video lesson is something good for you, that you can learn many things, and thank you to listen my words and to see my chart, and good night and see you soon.